Hey, welcome to another episode. I'm Cliff, and today I'm going to show you how to replace brushes in a grinder. This one I've used for about 2 years, and it finally stopped working, so I'm going to try to bring it back to life by replacing the brushes and the power cord. It's pretty beat up, it's seen better days. So I went ahead and went on Amazon and looked up brushes for the model number, and here they are. I got them for about 15 bucks, 10 bucks, 15 bucks, somewhere around there. Not too bad. So we're going to start by taking off those 3 screws and taking off these plastic shrouds. So replacing the brushes in your grinder isn't going to fix it every time, but if your grinder's not that old, you could probably fix it with just replacing the brushes. This one I've had for a long time. I think it's like 10 years old. I tried replacing the brushes in it after already replacing them once. This time it's down for the count. I wanted to find out what the problem really was, so I took the top off and really wanted to see what was the problem. And I don't know if this thing's supposed to be like that. See all the different kind of marks? I don't know, maybe they're trying to like balance it out or something, because how can you get those kind of marks inside of the grinder? Like, that's like totally like ground off right there. But it's not here. Only there. Weird. But this wasn't the problem. The bearings are fine. Where the brush is contacted, doesn't really seem like too big of a problem right there. So if you look inside, it doesn't really look too pretty in there. See that burn mark right on the top? Fried right there. And on the other side. That being fried right there, I think that's what did it in. It's not really worth. I'm calling that done. Okay, now I know. Alright, so I went ahead and replaced the brushes. All the internals seem to be in good working condition. Replaced the power cord. I just happen to have one laying around. I got a lot of junk around here. But let's go ahead and test it out. Work. Kinda seems a little loose, but it's probably got a little bit more life left in it. So hopefully this video helped you out. And let me know what you think in the comments. If you want to see more videos, like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.